Alright, so I'm down here looking at things. Got a couple of these rod bearing caps off. And you can see copper on the bearing surfaces. Let me see here. I can get that. They're hashed for sure. It's just hard to tell on the piston surfaces with my potato phone, or on the rod journals on the crank. But I pulled all of them off. That one you can tell is pretty scored up. That one didn't feel terrible. Get to the last one, which didn't shake at all or anything, and this is what I get when I start to pull it off here. This is before I've separated I've taken the nuts off, but I haven't actually pulled the cap down at all. But that would make a hell of a racket while it's cranking or running. So there we have it.